be doing a show, and I would like you to look at the bottom all the way over, and at the top all the way over. And there may be one on top and one on the bottom. The ones on the bottoms will not talk, but the ones on top will. Okay, enjoy the show. Who's there? Who showed up? Okay, today we will be doing 2 puppets, hopefully, for the show. First one, Mr. Froggy. Froggy, away! Hi, I'm Mr. Froggy, and I'm green and yellow, and a frog. But by now, I've been told to wrap it up, so bye. A bow, a bow, a bow. Applause, applause. Next, Mr. Bananas. Pop goes monkey. Tell us something about yourself, Mr. Bananas. I eat bananas and I go bananas. I'm a monkey and I'm brown and white. Well, that's all for today. Pop goes to Cloudy. Oh, Cherry. Sorry. Who bit my butt? No. Who bit my butt? Do you know? If you do, go to Mr. Froggy and who's behind me? Okay, bye. Now Mr. Bananas will entertain you. Bye. Oh, by the way, Mr. Bananas will be entertaining you for a little while. I'll be right back. So keep your eyes on the stage. Achoo. No! Okay. Why, somebody farted in here. Who was it? Applause, applause, bow, bow, bow. Applause, applause, bow, bow, bow.